morning, sir. How can I help you today?
Yes, I would like to debut LED strip forcing lamp.
All right. For the lamp, what do you want color and what size?
The blue lamp and for size 30 centimeter.
All right. For the installation process, will take about 1 hour. You can wait and have some coffee or tea in our waiting room, or maybe you see to our collection.
Alright, I went the process. Excuse me, sir. The, for the mirror, do you still have the stock?
Yes, sir. They are still available. Do you take them?
Yes, sir. I do. I take them and please install them.
Okay.
1 hour later.
Excuse me, sir. We have done. We have installed them.
Yeah, it's good. How much? I have paid it.
Here is the receipt, sir.
Alright, thank you very much.
You are welcome.